about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra and today I'm going to do a very quick makeup look. I need to be somewhere in about 15 minutes, but I still want to look glam, so I'm going to quickly do my makeup. We are not doing foundation again because I just feel like it's not necessary. I'm going to start with primer. I think this one worked really well for me last time, so I'm going in with my One Size Secure the Glow. We are going to be quick today. Okay, and then we are going to go in with my bronzing stick. Okay, I'm going to use my sponge to blend it out. Blend out the cheek first. Bring a little over to the jaw, a little bit on the upper lip, down the nose, cheeks. Bringing up the temples just a bit. Okay, blush. Makeup by Mario. This is the Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil in Just Peachy, the cream blush. And I forgot to mention, but the bronzer is the Too Faced Melting Bronzing and Sculpting Stick in Chocolate Caramel. So yeah, I forgot to mention that. I'm sorry, I'm in such a rush that I'm like, oh, you forgot. Okay, I'm going to continue adding some blush. I feel like this is very forgiving, so if you're worried at all about blush being too much, don't worry, this one's good. It's really nice. So I think a lot of people like it so much because it's so forgiving. Just put it a little bit everywhere, on the cheeks, on the forehead, on the nose. Kind of ends up looking like bronzer. Okay, I'm going to do eyebrows off camera. Okay, so lips I think I'm going to keep the same. I was going to do lips, but you know what? I think I just want to keep them natural color. So I'm going to use Too Faced Lip Injection just to make them a little plumper and a little fuller. And now I am going to, I was thinking of lining my eyes with blue liner, but I think I really like the open-eyed look. So what I'm going to do is line the upper lash line. This is a liner you cannot get anywhere. It's from Avon, but it was like the sub Avon. The sub Avon. I don't even know how to explain it, but the company mark that was with Avon, but not Avon. For the younger generation. And this liner, if you guys still have it, like I have my two favorite shades. This is like the only one I have left. It's called Mark on the Edge Hookup Liquid Eyeliner. So it was like the hookups, and then you can connect two of them. They were so cool. I have the bronze color. It doesn't even say on the end anymore because they're gone. I have blue chrome and then the bronze. So I'm going to use the blue because it really makes like brown eyes pop, and then also it looks really good with tan skin. So I'm going to use this as a liner on the top lashes. And I'm also going to do quite a large line because if I put lashes on, it's just going to cover that right up. And part of me really, really, really wants to do like liner on the waterline, but if I do that, it's just going to look like my eye's going to close right up. So the other thing I'm going to do is a little bit of concealer because although I'm not experiencing really dark circles, it's still a bit darker than I would like. So we're just going to do a little bit of concealer. I will use the pointy tip of my sponge. Maybe. You know what? I lied. Let's use a brush. I did clean all my brushes. I'm really, really excited about this. They're all nice and sparkly clean. I think I did that. That was yesterday. Okay, and I'm going to use the same brush and go into my powder and just set underneath the eyes. That's the only area I'm going to set with this powder. And just in the inner corners as well. I'm just going to go around my nose a bit. And then I'm going to take my Fenty powder bronzer. This is the Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer in Caramel Cutie. And I'm going to go over top the areas of my face with so this is a Sigma brush, but it's different. It's Sigma Roxette Amara? I don't know. Anyway, it's from Sigma. Go into, the only thing I don't like about this is that my white bristles get, you know, dirty. Okay, take it on my nose, bring it down my side of my cheeks, and this also helps to set the blush and the bronzer. And helps to make my forehead not look so shiny. Okay, and then I'm going to do mascara and lashes off camera, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Alright guys, that is it for this look. So I added lashes. I was going to go in with really, really long ones, and then figured it just looked so like not okay with this like more minimal look. I think those longer lashes look great with like really full glam looks, but at the same time, you know what? I'm not even feeling the really the long lashes. I love the full ones. These are full. But it kind of still has a bit more of a toned down look. And that blue, well, you can't see it if my eyes are open. When they're closed, you can see it. And I think it just kind of gives my eye a little bit of a, like, it's a little bit of something extra, but you can't really see it until you see it, if you know what I mean. It's kind of hidden, and that's okay. I'm okay with that because it just, nobody will know exactly what it is they're looking at until I close my eye, and there it is. So that's it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's quick. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and I'll see you next time. Happy Girls Night.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.